everyone, and welcome to KilowattAuto. Today I'm going to show you the fairly straightforward process to remove and replace your window wipers on the Tesla Model 3 or Model Y. And Tesla recommends replacing these on an annual basis, and I will admit the factory blades will last longer than a year, but will lose their smooth, quiet motion after the 18th month mark, which is about where I am at with mine. So I'm going to be using replacement wipers from Tesla, and ordering these can all be done through the Tesla app via the Tesla shop. Each wiper is $25 and can be found under the parts section of your respective vehicle. A detailed replacement process with pictures can be found in the owner's manual, which can be found in the service section of your car's menu. The first step in this process is to put your car into wiper service mode, and this will move the wipers into a more accessible position so you can remove and replace them. And I recommend putting a towel beneath the wiper as you work on it in order to avoid damaging the windshield. The wipers only fit into place one way, so you don't have to worry about orientation when removing and then reinstalling the wiper. To remove the old wiper, you simply need to depress the button on the wiper bracket and slide the wiper off. And you can see I struggle a bit with the driver's side wiper, and you can expect the wiper to require some finesse even after the release button is depressed. It's also important to note that the wiper arms do not extend very far away from the windshield, so you should not attempt to move them much further than about 45 degrees away from the windshield. Once the wiper is out, you can then slide the new wiper into the bracket, and you'll hear a click when it's in place. The above steps can then be repeated for the other side, and be sure to move the towel and place it under the wiper you're working on. Before wrapping things up, I did want to provide a quick update on Armor All's ceramic tire shine, and it's now been nearly 4 weeks, and you can see that the tires are still looking clean and have some shine left on them. And I've been to the car wash twice, and lots of rainy weather has really tested this product. I'm still very impressed, and if you want to hear more, I'll link my review on this product at the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button, and if you'd like to see more tutorials, be sure to get subscribed so you don't miss my next video. As always, I hope this video was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.